I'm from Island Pond. I've been here now. This is my third season. Yeah, it's because I live right local, and it's a job that I really enjoyed. And right before I even started working here, just the idea of working with people and seeing people, and it's just down the street from where we live. I said, well, that's worked out very nice.
Yeah. So, what would you say your favorite part of the job is now that you've started it?
Meeting individuals, meeting people that have come and gone.
If you had any recommendations for people who are thinking about working in the parks as maintenance staff, what advice would you give them?
I think it's a great opportunity for somebody to increase their personality and their character with people that they meet here, and the interaction with individuals as customers that rent sites here, and spend some time, because most of the people that come in and out of here leave with a big smile on their face, and they really do enjoy the park. There's been many people coming in here that have been here for many years, and that has an effect on you, realizing that you can influence people that like the place. And it's been very enhancing.